Hi everyone, and welcome to this short demonstration on the SwarmGPT primitive interface, the interface that we use to develop the choreographies that we fly for our crazy swarm. Now, let's get into it. When we first land on the landing page, you'll see a drop-down menu to select a song. Here are some of the songs that we have imported. Note that with just an MP3 file, you'll be able to import and perform a choreography to any song that you choose. Let's choose Dance of the Flying Machines and send the selection to the LLM. The LLM is now generating the choreography. Let's display the conversation. Soon you'll be able to see the prompt that we send it and its response. Some of the things we include in our prompt are the musical annotations such as beat times and beat chords, as we can see here, the physical bounds of the drone, as well as a whole bunch of other information. The most important being the primitives that the LLM can use, as well as some examples of choreographies. Let's see what the output the LLM has given. The song mood, Dance of the Flying Machines, is an energetic and uplifting piece, evoking the feeling of flight, freedom, and exhilaration. It also gives us a synopsis of the chord analysis, as well as what has designed the choreography around, emphasizing rapid and dynamic movements, reflecting energetic and the exhilarating nature of the song. Here are the primitives that it has chosen and the choreography the LLM has designed. For primitives, it has chosen form circle, spiral, move Z, and we can see the rest. Let's simulate this choreography to see how it is, if it's pleasing to the eye, and if there's anything we would like to change. Once we hit simulate, we can see that it is simulating the safe choreography and it will display it to us fairly soon. Let's see. Wow, I would say that was pretty good. One thing I would change, though, is keep the drones more at eye level. Let's refine and modify the choreography, so that's the case. Please keep the drones at eye level, not too high. And let's send it off. The LLM has now received our reprompt and is generating a new choreography. If you noticed, this move Z here in waypoint 7 is now 30 in what used to be 50. Let's also have the helix at the start be a bit less aggressive. Please make the starting helix less aggressive. This is because I would like to keep the helix, but don't want it to go as high or as wide as it currently does. The parameters in the helix have now changed. Let's simulate this new choreography. Once again, the interface is simulating the safe choreography, which will show up fairly soon. Here we go. Wow, that was much better, and it interpreted our commands and our prompts very well. Now, if we're happy with this choreography and we want to save it for use later as well, we can save it as a preset. Or if we're happy and we just want to see it fly, then Let's let the crazy flies dance. This has been the SwarmGPT primitive interface. Thank you for watching.